To complete the stitch welding along the seam of the front chassis legs of the 1980 Opel Kadett that I'm preparing for historic motorsport, I had to do some underneath. It's a little bit awkward with the weld dripping down, but I persevered because I think this is an important place to bring in some strength. The top side was easy enough on the box section, but this took a little bit of perseverance. I carried the welds forward to this little crush section, and there was actually 3 pieces of metal to weld together there, and that completed that. The big job I'm going to do in this video is strengthen up all the front engine mounts. There's a few places that the wire cup brush on the angle grinder couldn't reach, so I had to use a screwdriver or a little lever bar to get at these. I had the grinder out again then to take off a little bit from where the chassis leg meets this front valence, and around that front engine mounting where the right hand chassis leg meets this valence. And I also decided to do these radiator mounts because there's quite a bit of leverage there for the weight of the radiator to act on. I suppose you could call these transmission mounts or gearbox mounts as well, because it actually goes on to the bell housing. With all this reinforcing going on, I thought the battery tray could do with slightly more anchoring as well, when you consider the weight of the battery being shook about. There's quite a lot of work involved in this. That one's a little awkward, the front of the exclusive engine mounting. There are no reinforced mounts for the Opel Kadett D Astra Mark I that are homologated, as far as I understand the regs anyway, so I've got to strengthen up what's there already. I'm using a blast of air just to stop any burning going on inside in the box sections where I can't clean. Now I'm doing one across the top of 2 pieces of the metal that are sandwiched together. There's a little bit of different tone between the already reinforced engine mount and the left hand side transmission mount. With these so rigid, I think it was important to have the chassis legs strengthened to receive them. Those few little bits that I cleaned off underneath. There does seem to be some gaps in these, and I judged to leave those. Someone, I'm sure, knew what they were doing when they designed these, so perhaps some insulation off the shell is a good idea, but the fixing positions are all extra strong now. That's the top of the battery tray done as well. A bit of extra smoke from that because I didn't anticipate where that weld was. There's underbody protection burning off behind that. Now that's the radiator mount on the left, and that's the front of the chassis leg where it meets the front valence on the left, and now on the right. Didn't want to do too much up in this area, so I'm just doing the inner sides that are relevant to the things that are fixed to this in the engine bay. I did give it a good long weld though. I'll do a bit now on this radiator mount. I'll just go down along both sides. This isn't under anywhere near the kind of pressure that the engine or transmission mounts are. I certainly am going across the top of this front mount on the valence. I don't think that's on all the Kadetts. I think it might only be on the early Kadett Ds. So glad to have that because of the extra pressure that a car will have in competition. I completed down the sides of both of that, and that's all my mounts looked after. I'll do the rear transmission mount when I'm doing some more welding on the bulkhead.